So this is the antelope, the meat of the antelope. Very delicious. That's why it's very popular in this part, the Asantis and the Bono side. Very popular food over here. Wow. But I'm curious to find out who discovered this food. So as a food content creator, I might say the African local food or Ghanaian local food is really delicious. But this food or this recipe right here is extremely delicious. Damn! Come on. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cuisine, and I'm back again. Yeah, so still in Sunyani, and this recipe I'm about to prepare is one of the food that is more controversial in Ghana. Man, this is Antelope Dung food or tribinum kwine. So I've been hearing the name of this food for a very long time, and I know that people really love this food. Man, prominent people really pack their car, the local chop bar or the local restaurant to eat this food. We use the dung of the antelope to prepare this soup. Yeah, so for the non-Ghanaians, I know you'll be surprised about this food, and man, trust me, it's really amazing. Like, it tastes really delicious and yummy. So I hope you like this video. If today's your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's showcase our food to ourselves as African and to the world. Let's do this. Record. So one thing that doesn't make this food disgusting is that the dung is not taken from the anus of the antelope or the animal, but rather it's taken from the stomach or the sac inside the stomach or the intestine. So we went to the market to get our antelope meat itself and the dung. Okay, basically we have the grass cutter dung soup as well, so or tribini and then cantier bini. So we have two different versions. Okay, so we went to the market to get our meat, which is antelope meat itself, and we also bought the dung as well because they sell it together. If you go to the market, they sell the meat and the dung together. Man, let's do this. So we have our tree over here, which is antelope. We season with onion and garlic and ginger. So we're grinding our onion and the ginger and garlic together to steam our ochin. We are fencing. Okay, so this is called white beans. Okay, so white beans. Okay, and to boil this, you have to crack it. Okay, you have to crack so that it can open and the water can enter. So we'll be hitting like that side to get it open so that I can boil it. If not, it will never cook. White beans. So this is all part of the soup. You need this to make your soup. Okay, white beans as well. We'll be using these two ingredients over here. Okay, so turkey berries and garden eggs, and I'll be adding some of the white beans also to it and boil them together. Okay, so that's the white beans. Okay, so we're about to steam our antelope. Okay, so you have onion and garlic and ginger. Okay, and now add salt to it. Okay, pinch of salt to give a taste. Since it's more like a light soup, we add now tomatoes to it. Then we steam everything together. We add one onion to it as well. Okay. Yeah, so our boiled vegetables is not ready. So garden eggs, turkey berries, pepper, and the white beans. Okay, for the trini bean kwine. So we now start with our soup, and we have our trini over here on fire. It's about to go down. So after boiling the beans, the skin just comes out. Okay, like that. Okay. So if you don't crack it, it will be very difficult for the skin to come and also too easy to cook. So we start by grinding our nibis, our white beans, turkey berries, pepper, everything together. We also add in our garden eggs as well. So as I said, this doesn't come from the anus. We got this, the one that's in the towel. Okay, but basically after digestion, this is what we have. So antelope feces.
This feces has a medicinal purpose.
Okay.
Because they eat herbs.
Okay.
So when you eat it, it's like you eating herbs.
Okay.
So it's very, very good for human consumption.
Okay.
I think you always have to eat it.
Okay.
It's very, very, very good.
Feces. Then why don't we eat the herbs directly by eating the feces? Or we don't know the kind of herbs they eat?
Yes.
Because they're in the bush.
They are in the bush.
Okay.
So they eat the right one.
Okay.
Which is also good for human consumption.
Oh, okay.
Myself, I don't know the kind of herb that I can eat, but with this animal, God created them special.
Okay, the antelope.
Yes, so they eat good herbs.
Oh, okay.
Which is also good for us.
Okay, so that's why the feces is used to make soup.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. So as I said, this is from the intestine, from the stomach of the animal. Okay. So you'll be grinding the intestine a bit before it goes inside the soup. Remember, we have the meat on fire, steaming. So we're about to sieve this. We'll not use the whole thing, we'll sieve it. That's the sieving. This is our wanted. We're in here. We're in here. This is our wanted ones. So this one we use it for the soup. What you be, you know? When I discover I said you are no.
Me cry no more. You no more. I say first no more sorry like omo na ba sa dem na omo nim passing here.
Yeah, but when the big who say what you be them there be nice.
I have no idea. I don't know who brought that idea.
Uni di.
Dabi.
Uni di anke ko bisa na. Man, this is the meat. And the fish goes in like that. We just sieve this and it goes in like that. Wow. Okay, so half of it has been used to steam the meat. The rest will come in later. So this is our chibi soup going on, and I are taking off our tomatoes to grind them and the onion as well. So we're adding our garden eggs to the soup. So we are now adding the rest of the liquid, okay, to it, like that. Okay, making sure that we don't allow everything to come inside, okay. Wow. Then water will be added to it. They will allow it to boil. So basically the soup, antelope fizzy soup or tribillion coin. Very popular in Ghana, and I mean, I'm yet to try it. Very curious, the first time trying this food, and I hope it should be nice and delicious as well. Okay, so we add the water to it. We're adding our granite tomatoes to the soup. So, our tribini nkwan and then peche like that. Okay, so salt has been added. So you can choose to add extra pepper to it. Okay, if you want spicy food. Yeah, so we're about to serve for the chimney anyway, and that goes like that. Okay, so this is the soup and the food. Wow, amazing. Yeah, so we're done with our fufu and our Antelope Dung anyway. Antelope, chubi, and okro. Man, first time trying this food, this bush meat anyway. And as they say, this is medicinal because of the kind of leaves these antelopes eat. Okay. Okay. Taking a bite for the first time. Carol. Yeah, bad. Yeah, bad. Man, it doesn't even seem like some shit or something. Wow. It doesn't seem like. And whilst eating, you have to be find a way to fry it because of the shitness of it. Wow. Man, it doesn't seem like I'm eating shit or something or feces. It's very delicious. That's why it's very popular in this part, the Asantis and the Bono side. Very popular food over here. Wow. But I'm curious to find out who discovered this food. Actually saying man, so she's saying, you know, very delicious food, loved by many. So this is the antelope, the meat of the antelope. A chili bean. Hey, they're rough. Hey, they're very delicious. Really delicious. Amazing. Man, if you not try this food, I recommend this food to you. First time trying, I'm loving it already. I'm really loving it. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, so that's for today. Hope you like this, and man, first time trying this and I'm loving it already. So if this is the first time watching, can you subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cuisine. A typical local food from a half of BA Sunyani. So I hope you can also do yourself one for yourself as well and enjoy your fufu Sunday afternoon or Saturday afternoon. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's meet again for Shizm Manizo Cuisine. I'm out one.